they have a paragliding at the Bir Himachal Pradesh, and this place is one of the second best paragliding site in the Asia. So today all the kids are ready here. Maybe we'll choose one of them, the best one. Yeah, now my hotel is ready here, and we are going to go to the paragliding. Today the weather is not so good, but still I think the wind directions and all are very so far so clear. Here, and then after park the car here, and then we have to go to the top of the hill up, and then from there we are going to start ready with me, and we'll take some nice photo videos. And here's my pilot.
भागना है नीचे तक, ठीक है?
डर नहीं लगेगा?
डर नहीं लगेगा,
पर फिर भी भागना। राइट में हो ना? गो राइट, गो राइट। ओके ओके। अरे भागो वाला। 1 2 3। Very nice, yeah. Okay, now we are going to landing soon, and here is the landing spot. आपका कितना साल हो गया जो
मैं 2015 से हूँ
2000 you start from 2015?
Yes, as a professional pilot.
Oh wow, so start from early morning.
Yeah, early morning from 5:30.
5:30 you start to fly. Wow.
Yeah.
So how about the today you fly?
Today
This is the
good,
third
but-
time, right, with me?
Yeah.
Wow,
This
cool.
is the third round with you.
Yes, so I'm very happy and lucky to get pilot like you, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, man. Now we reach his office here.
Yeah, this is our office.
Yes.
It's not dangerous.